Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on our side booty. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. You're going to need a resistance band for some of these exercises, so go ahead and grab your gear. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get into the workout.
I'll explode like a dynamite if I can't decide, baby. My head and my heart are torturing me, yeah. With my mind in your arms, I go to extremes, yeah. When you just tell me wrong, and that's just coming along. My head and my heart are caught in between, yeah. Caught in between, yeah. Caught in between, yeah. I'll explode like a dynamite if I can't decide, baby. My head and my heart are torturing me, yeah. With my mind in your arms, I go to extremes, yeah. When you just tell me wrong, and that's just coming along. My head and my heart are between, yeah.
I saw you dancing in a crowded room. You looked so happy when I'm not with you. But then you saw me, caught you by surprise. A single teardrop falling from your eye. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away.
Just imagine people laughing, you know someday we will. And even if it's far away, it can be doing that day. Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Sunshine, good time. World's been spinning, and everything will be alright. Sunshine, good time. World's been spinning, and everything will be alright. World's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Tell me that the world's been spinning, world's been spinning, world's been spinning, world's been spinning.
Alrighty, great job today. I hope you guys enjoyed this exercises. If you did, don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.